friends and family. We're doing another unboxing. This one is another passion of mine, along with my brother and mine. Both big fans of these things. So let's get started. And Odin wants to come up here. He's more than welcome. So if you see the camera shaking, it's because mainly Odin. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Here, look at that. CRKT. Confidence in hand. Interesting. Well, there's the box. Well, this knife is, 6.5 ounces. It's actually kind of heavy. Look at that. We got some packaging information. Really? That's kind of cool. It's pretty cool. What's the other one? The other one is a instruction manual, possibly. Oh, cool. It does tell you how to use a knife. For those who haven't really operated a knife, this is actually really important. I've handed my wife a knife once, and she had no idea how to open it. So it's good to know how to open a knife. Take this out of the bag. And look at that. It's actually kind of nice. I like it. It's locking, obviously. Blade is 3.875 in length. This knife has been made in China. Ooh, the texture's nice. Ooh, the texture is really nice. Let's try to open it. Oh, my first time opening it. Ooh, this is really nice. Odin's digging the box, that's for sure. You digging the box? Of course you're digging the box. He's digging the box. Alright, well, it's sharp. It's a really nice looking knife, man. What's this say here? I think that's the steel type. No, that's the model number. M2104G. US patent. Carson design. It's actually quite nice. Let's see. Little to none wiggle play. It's a cool fucking knife, actually. Pardon my French. Tip up when folded. Center locking here. Oh man, I can't get it closing. Let me see. Oh, it's locked. That's actually pretty cool. So you can lock the blade open. Doesn't look like you can lock it while it's closed. I don't want to snap it in front of Odin. It automatically locks. Oh. I think you have to do both to close it. Ooh, I kind of like that. Here, let's open it again. Nice. Dude, this knife is pretty fucking cool. It's a little heavy. It's a lot longer. So it's like barely legal. I mean, it's legal in length and being concealed. Illegal while it's being concealed. But when you have it outside, you can carry as long as a machete. At least I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. This knife, pretty cool. It's got my fingerprints already on it. Well, there you have it. Bitchin' looking knife. Odin, what do you think? I think he likes it. Odin, do you like it? Do you like this knife? Of course he does. So you gotta unlock it to close it. Here, let's get a smell. Smell test. Yeah, he likes it. He likes knives too. You like knives too? Honestly, this cat's like the show. He's the star. He's the star of the show. Alright, well that's it. Thanks guys for stopping by, and we'll see you at the next unboxing or beer review or whatever video I'm going to start making a lot of. See ya!